Hello, I'm Pete from the Daintree Discovery Centre, and this is Jet, also from the Discovery Centre. Now, this is a black-headed python. These little guys have got some amazing things about them. They're actually impervious to toxins of other venomous snakes. So if another taipan or eastern brown snake tries to bite this guy, no problem. These guys actually feed on venomous snakes throughout Australia. In the back here, we have our jungle carpet python called George. Currently he looks like he's doing a number 2. Now, pythons don't have to eat every week, they don't have to eat every month, but when they're ready, they'll do and sit in a position like this and drop out ready for the next meal, ready to go.